Good morning, boys and girls. Today we are going to work with our Away with Words again. So can you get your book ready and your sharp pencil? And if you want, you might have your copy ready because some of you like to write longer stories. So we are story writing today. We are going to be looking at a picture and writing our own story on the picture. We've done this a couple of times, so you're very well rehearsed at how to write these now. So let's have a look. This picture is all about, have you guessed? Yes, a bank robbery. Uh-oh. We haven't written about something like this before, about crime. So let's have a look and we'll think and talk first. So can you turn to the person that you're working with today and have a quick chat about this illustration? What do you think is happening in each part of the picture? What's happening in this part? What's happening in the background? And what's happening over at this right-hand side of the picture? Pause the video and have a quick chat about what you see in the picture. Good. Now let's look at number one. What are the men wearing? Can you just call out the answer to me when I read it? What are they carrying? How will the robbers escape? What is the girl in the phone box doing? How might the girl be able to help the Gardaí later on? Now, we're going to write this story. And you know when we write stories in school that we think of a beginning, a middle, and an end. So you're going to pause the video, close your eyes, and have a think about what you're going to write. What's going to happen in the beginning? What's going to happen in the middle? And how's it going to end? Pause the video now for 1 minute and think about what you are going to write in your beginning, your middle, and your end. Good, lots of brain power going on there. Now, these are some useful words that you might need when you are writing your short story. Gardaí, hood, escape, getaway, safe, phone, frightened, chase, sack, money. Can you think of any other interesting words that you might need? And can you write them in the space around the word box? You can ask your helper to spell them for you. Okay, now we are ready to start. What we would like you to do today is to have at least 2 or 3 sentences. Try and push yourself for 4 in the beginning, another 3 or 4 for the middle, and another 3 or 4 for the ending. Don't forget to pause and read over your work after every paragraph. This helps you think about what you have just written and how you are going to write the rest of your story. When you have finished, read over it yourself, then get somebody else to read over it with you, and then post it to us on Seesaw. Looking forward to reading your bank robbery stories. I wonder what's going to happen in the end of your one.